जगत अगाधा कूप है, जागे को संसार। परिजन सारे सर्पवत, करे जगत व्यवहार। Dear Appa, once a realized being has detached himself from the world, this world makes him feel trapped as in a well. It makes him restless. Even the near and dear ones behave in a distressingly selfish and poisonous manner. अपनी करनी कर मुए, साथ न जावे कोय, सब परिजन का काफिला, ना पहचाने तोय. Dear Appa, this physical body, mind, intellect are all ruled by our actions. Birth and death are a certainty. Our objective should be to lead a pure life and earn goodwill which stays with us despite death and yet helps us escape the cycle of future births. However loved or dear one may be, one dies alone. The soul journeys alone. Hence, strive for spiritual upliftment, dear Appa, and get out of the cycle of life and death. ऐसी करणी कर चले जगत असारा होए, पुण्य कमाई संग की मौत न छिनवे कोय. Dear Appa, we must engage in activities that enable us to experience bliss through spiritual practice. The world then seems meaningless. It is the spiritual contentment that stays with us over lifetimes, and even death cannot touch it. सौंती करम कसौटी है, मत डर तू इंसान. घट कुम्हार जैसी गति, वैसी तेरी जान. Dear Appa, just as the purity of gold is tested by rubbing it against stone, similarly, a seeker and his intentions get tested by time, but one need not fear the test. Just as a potter shapes a fresh, wet pot of clay by tapping it with a wooden stick on the outside, but simultaneously supports it by holding it from the inside. Similarly, the divine might test us, but he also always protects the seeker. कौआ मली है दूध से, श्वेत नहीं हो जाए, फल कर्मों का जब पके, परिवर्तन हो जाए. Dear Appa, just as a black crow would remain the same despite bathing endlessly with milk, similar is the fate of a man who has degraded himself by his misconduct, and once the misconducts spill over beyond a limit, they do entail a consequence. However, the grace of the divine is such that even in this state, if the sinner seeks the grace of Sadguru, he can turn a new leaf as if the crow has transformed into a swan. सहज सरल पवित्रता सब ही मुमुक्षु के रूप, रंग चढ़े रंगरेज का, ज्ञानी भय अनूप. Dear Appa, Sadguru is like the dyer who dyes the seekers into colors that are simple, pure, and unself-conscious. These are the very traits that ultimately transform an ordinary being into a realized soul. सौ बातन एक बात है, ध्यान धरी सुन लई, मन से पेड़ उखाड़ के अंतर में बोई दई. Dear Appa, listen carefully. Even a sinner can transform under the guidance of Sadguru, thus transforming iron into gold. It is important to understand that true spiritual practice can only be possible if one gets out of the mind intellect and seeks realization within. परमात्मा तन मन बसे अखिल ब्रह्मांड समाए पिंड अरु ब्रह्मांड में एक ही खेल रचाए. Dear Appa, the divine consciousness, Paramatma, is an all-pervasive and eternal truth. He is present everywhere and exists in equal measure everywhere, whether it be in the physical body or in the entire universe. The creation of the universe was his play and he hides therein. समझावे ना समझी है मन बालक सा होए जिस आंधड़ में खिचड़ी पाके आंधड़ होए. Dear Appa, this world is like a child, obstinate and unrelenting, and doesn't understand easily despite umpteenth efforts to make it understand. A spiritual seeker needs to engage with this world in a way that may be necessary, but in a wise and intelligent manner. He who still does not understand should not be made to understand forcibly, but those who are wise and intelligent should be encouraged and protected. रमे कोटि ब्रह्मांड में दिखे न शाश्वत तोय सद्गुरु एक प्रमाण है जागे सो हरि होय. Dear Appa, the divine consciousness, which is Paramatma, who is all pervasive, eternal, and exists across many universes, is invisible to all. Sadguru is the only means by which the divine can be experienced and is a proof of the divine's existence. ब्रह्म कहो, ईश्वर कहो, खुदा और भगवान, अनुभव कहो या सद्गुरु, एक ही तू दिन मान. Dear Appa, Paramatma is known as Brahma, Ishwar, God, Divine, Sadguru, and as many other titles. People belonging to different religions, communities, and languages know the divine consciousness by different names. However, all these titles put together represent one reality. दाता तेरा राम है तुझ में वही समाए बरसे अनुराधार वह भर ले तू घटमाए. Dear Appa, the creator of this entire universe is the same and he exists everywhere. His grace and love flow through all. Dear Appa, awaken the divine within who always resides in you. डोरी पतली हाथ में क्यों पकड़ी है तोय गहरा कुआं अपार है सौंप भरोसा होय. Dear Appa, Sadanand says that the world is full of arrogance that stems from the word me. It is merely a product of the physical body and its existence. He wonders as to why the world clings to the thin support of this arrogance, for this support is just an illusion, which means it won't help. This world is a deep, unfathomable well of bondages of karma that is frightening and drownable. Hence, dear world, have faith in the guidance of Sadguru and surrender to him. बहती गंगा ज्ञान की रुके न रोके कोय भरी भरी अंजलि पी लियो क्यों प्यासा तू सोए. Dear Appa, the seeker should avail the unstoppable flow of deep, wise wisdom of Sadguru that flows under his guidance. Just as pouring rain is unstoppable, similarly is this flow of wisdom unstoppable. Sadanand says that a seeker must try and satisfy his thirst for knowledge that has been with him over many lifetimes. How can a seeker sleep thirsty? He needs to rise from the sleep of ignorance and realize the divine within. जैसा तेरा भाव है वैसा उसका भाव, घटत बढ़त होवे नहीं, खेल खेवैया नाव. Dear Appa, the love that you hold for Sadguru is the same as the love that he holds for you. He is the benevolent one. His love for you will never abate. This world is a game of boat ride. Paramatma created the boat, pushed it into the waters, and is navigating it himself to prevent it from capsizing. Similar is his navigation and protection of this world. जन्म मरण नहीं हाथ में, फिर तू क्यों पछताए, करामात किरतार की पहेली वही बुझाए. Dear Appa, birth and death are not in our hands. So why does the fear of death plague you? This world is like a puzzle being operated by the divine, and only he can explain the mysteries therein. कारण से सब होत है, कारण नहीं कछु नाही, भव पीड़ा का अंत है, सद्गुरु चरणों माही. Dear Appa, this world, visible as well as that which is not visible to us, is a creation of the divine. Without him, that is Paramatma, it wouldn't have been possible. The end to all the miseries and sufferings in this world is also possible under the guidance of the Paramatma, and to attain the divine is only possible under the guidance of the Sadguru. Sukh Shanti Anand Samp Santati Sampati Moksh, प्रकृति के सब स्वांग में सद्गुरु रहत परोक्ष. Dear Appa, Mother Nature too is a creation of the divine. She perseveres the working of this world. Emotions like happiness, peace, and joy are a product of material attachments. All material gains, pleasures, or relationships like children, family, luxury, wealth, etc., are debt bondages. When a seeker tires out with these worldly encumbrances, he seeks a Sadguru and attains eternal bliss and peace. Sadguru himself is above all these worldly encumbrances. पड़ो न उस जंजाल में जो तो ही होवे क्लेश, पेट भरन उद्यम करो, रहे न शंका क्लेश. Dear Appa, do not engage in any task which causes discontent. One must try one's best to earn a living as per one's abilities and be content with the same. There is no end to the worldly desires. One must have full faith in the benevolence of the divine